What's going on, everybody? Bryce with Kentucky Gun Company. Wanted to talk to you today about strings and cables. We're officially 3 months away from September, and now's a good time to go ahead and get that new set of strings and cables put on your bow. Don't wait till the last second. Don't wait till, the end of August before you put strings and cables on. Come on in now and get them changed out. For the strings and cables set, you're looking at $120. That's installed, and you can choose from any color that you want. As you see on this particular bow, we went with a flow orange and flow green. Turned out really good. But the string company that I use is Threadz. If you hop on Threadz website, you can actually customize this however you want with any color that you want, and it's not going to change the price. That's going to be $120 installed on your bow. So come on in and get them changed, and we'll get you taken care of.